the bloom or the alignment. It's me or girl maintenance is more like a chore. Oh, I just need a little t-shirt. Really, I don't just need a little t-shirt. I don't need anything. Oh, it smells so good. It's giving Hermes, dude. What y'all think? Hello guys, we are back from vacation. I'm getting ready to go in and get my hair braided. Is it just me or girl maintenance is more like a chore as you grow older? Like, I want my hair done, I need my hair done, but I don't feel like going to sit and wait 8 hours or 10 hours to get my hair braided. When I have to go get my nails done, like, yeah, I want my nails done. Actually, it's not a necessity, but when I'm sitting there, I'm like, it's so much other stuff I could be doing. Can you please hurry up? I'm ready to go. So girl maintenance, it just requires a lot of time that as an adult, I just don't seem to have. And I need my maintenance done because when we were in Alabama on our vacation, I did not get my hair braided prior to going, and I really wanted my hair braided, but I had to do the kids' hair. Both of their hair is natural hair. It just takes a long time, requires a lot. And so I didn't get time to do my hair. I ended up wearing a sew-in that I had, and the first day on the trip, who does this? I took my hair out on the trip, like ridiculous. So I had to do my hair. Well, I just ended up, you know, wearing my hair in a ponytail for the duration of the trip. But who takes their sewing out on the trip? Me. Only me. Only me. I took my sewing out on the trip, but get my hair braided today. And another thing too is, like, where I live, very hard to find someone to do your hair. I'm going to this new braiding salon here. I've never been here before, so I hope that she does it like I like it, and that I can continue to come to her. I hope that I don't leave out of here frustrated and upset. Like, I just pay, especially because braids are not cheap. So I don't want to be paying all of this money for braids, and I don't even like it. I can't even wear my protective style for 2 months like I want to, or 3 months, because I plan to get really small braids. That's why it's probably going to take so long. Let's go in here and get my hair braided, and wish me luck. Hey y'all, I just realized I never came back with an update for my hair. So my hair turned out really good. I'm really impressed with the work that was done for the price that I paid, as well as how small it is. And it actually did not take as long as I expected it to take, and it's really small. It turned out so nice. I will be returning, and that will be my official braiding site. I went to some Africans here, and yeah, they got me as a permanent client now. So I'm over here at Walmart running in here. I need to get some toiletries and restock on some things. So I just came to show y'all my hair, and let's run in here. To organize my pantry and to put like my dry goods and stuff. They're called decorative, but it's not really for decor. It's more for organization. So I want to try these out. I'm trying to decide what color to get. I want it to blend like seamlessly, and I need to get some for my laundry room. Pudding color, or just get a black. I also like this woven one, black. I'm gonna go with these because I just want to put my dishcloths in there and sit my dishcloths in the laundry room. So I like this one better because it's not as big and it's deep. I don't need anything that big. So let's just go with these. I definitely don't need to be over here, but I think these little sweatpants are so cute because I work from home and I want to look put together, but I also want to be comfortable. I always like to have like on some lounge wear on hand, and every time I step into a Walmart, I'm always looking for like lounge wear and stuff to wear just on the days that I'm at home and not really going anywhere, but I also want to look decent like I have on clothes. But I found myself over in Walmart clothing section all the time. Like, oh, I just need a little t-shirt. I don't just need a little t-shirt. I don't need anything. Those shirts, it's time for back to school shopping. These are $7. These are cute little Levi shirts. Maybe I can get one of these for Bailey. It says it's a 4 or 5, but that look kind of big. All of this little back to school stuff is so cute. I like to put Bailey on like a little school theme outfit since it's a half a day for the first day of school. And I always do champ something like welcome back to whatever grade he's going to. Something real chill. Kind of like preppy. How much are they? $10. Well, $10 for the polos and $11 for the shorts. I got these little blooms. Do y'all drink these? I'm trying to figure out which one is stronger, the Bloom or the Alani. Okay, update. I asked y'all Bloom or Alani, and I got the peach mango Bloom. Okay, first of all, this is really good. I like this peach mango flavor. I never had this before. I usually like the crisp apple flavor, but as far as energy wise, I think the Bloom is for my moms that need a pick-me-up at the end of the day. The Alani will take you a good 6 to 8 hours. It's going to give you the energy that you need. This Bloom is for that midday crash that you don't want to have a full Alani or another coffee because you're not going to be able to sleep at night, but you need something just to get you through nighttime routine, picking up the kids, dinner, all of that, and get settled, and then you can still go to sleep. The Bloom is for midday. The Alani is going to get you through today. Okay? Moms, remember that. Jot that down. Don't try to drink this Bloom and think, oh, I'm going to have, this going to take me through the whole day. I'm not going to need nothing else. This Bloom is a pick-me-up. This is not your energy drink that's going to last you the whole day. Do not think that this Bloom going to last you the whole day. Okay? Pick me up. Moms out there. This is what you're going to get for your pick-me-up, your midday. I'm tired. I need something to get me through the rest of the day. I already had my coffee. I want to go to sleep tonight. I'm going to get the Bloom. Okay? Okay. With our physical maintenance, but now it's time for mental maintenance. What is a maintenance day or a maintenance week without going to Marshall's or X? So I am headed into Marshall's. Bo ripped my sandals, so that says to me I deserve a new pair of sandals. So let's go in here and see what they have. These are cute. It's giving Hermes dupe. What y'all think? Kind of cute. $29. Jason Whoop. That's cute too. The sandals that I had that Bo ripped apart were like a tan color, a cognac. These are $7, but they're kind of snug. I think they're narrow. That's cute too. These are Steven New York. Same one that I just picked up, which means it's worth trying on. I think that is really cute. I love the gold rhinestones. Really make it pop. Let's have a look at the bags. It's a cute little summer bag. This is cute as well. They have a lot of their bags on clearance. Little watermelon bags, summer, festive. That's cute. Oh, I like this. Steve Madden. Okay, they have all these summer bags right here on clearance. So y'all come in TJ Maxx and get your summer bags so y'all can be prepared for next year. It's really cute. It's different with the carrots on it. Little carrot cake on the bag. I don't know if I would carry it, but it's different and cute. I like this one. I like this little green one. And they have it in, they also have it in this turquoise color. It's nice. Karl Lagerfeld. That's cute. These are cute. What y'all think? Are these too small for my face? This brand of candles gives off a really good scent. It's called number 2696. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good. Press, Sart Marsh, Lavender, Wild Sage, and Musk.
Across our family of stores. Once approved.
This one smells too manly. White peppercorn over rose. Woodland cedar, crisp bergamot, spice sage, and earthy oak. It's okay. It's pretty though. I like the packaging. If you guys like to just have a candle on display on your coffee table, bathroom, kitchen. I love these air fresheners for the bathroom. It's not that strong. I need a new set of pots and pans, and something about coming to Marshalls or TJ Maxx seeing that it's a discounted price is just so much more enticing to me. Like, you can come in here and get a whole set. What is this? Masterclass. I like this one. This pot right here. How large it is. So I got the large one, this smaller one, and then here's the frying pan over here. Natural Elements wood stone, 14-inch low casserole with lid. Two. It comes with a strainer. These are on clearance. This is the matching set, whole set right here. I didn't get much from Marshalls. I just got these glasses and the candle that I was showing you guys. But I just want to come back on here and say thank you guys for coming along with me for my maintenance routines. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.